Hi everyone, merhaba. I'm excited because my mom is here and we are making Kastamonu mantısı. Okay, we already begin. We made the dough and my mom is eager to begin to roll. This table is from Çorum city. When I went there, I bought it and used it for the first time in Nevşehir to make gözleme. Let me tell you a little bit what we did for the preparations. We have our filling here, just a plain rice and a bulgur mixed. You can do only with rice or bulgur if you want. We sauteed an onion. Add the bulgur washed and a mix of rice. And then flavored it with black pepper, paprika, red pepper flakes, some salt, add chicken broth. We're gonna use some of the chicken broth. It's just 2 thighs. Fried it a little bit to get more flavor from the skin. And then add cold water and salt and made my chicken broth. I used some of it in the pilav. We'll use some of it for the bulgur mantısı. To make the dough, I used 1 cup water, 1 egg, 1 tablespoon oil and 1 teaspoon salt. Added about 3 to 3.5 cups of flour and knead until I have a smooth, unsticky dough. Make sure to let it rest at least for 30-45 minutes for easy rolling. We have 2 pieces here and one is my mom is rolling. Then we're gonna cut into squares and then fill it. Okay, our dough is ready. We're gonna cut into squares about 5 centimeter. It's not gonna be small, rather big.
Şu kadar.
Evet, daha da büyük olabilir şöyle. Neye gerek yok?
Okla böyle yapabiliriz.
You can either do it with knife or this.
Evet. Yamuk keserim. Evet. Göstereceğim mi koyarken?
Hı. Çok büyük. So we put the filling and now we are going to seal it. Just fold it like a rectangular first and then the 2 sides together again like this. Hamur güzel olmuş. Now we are going to the stove top to fry our mantıs. As my mom suggested, I scattered butter pieces to give extra taste while frying. I fried the mantas until I get a nice golden color on medium heat. It took about 8 to 10 minutes. Continue to cook on medium-high, closing a lid until they almost soak the chicken stock. My mom said it's not necessary, but I wanted to make a butter sauce with paprika to drizzle over the mantas while serving.
Ben şimdilik böyle oturdum da.
Biliyorum şimdi. Okay, it's ready, my friends. We cooked it on stove top at the chicken broth. The top is still crunchy. If you want it more crunchier, you can add less chicken broth as you wish. Let's taste. Eline sağlık anneciğim.
Afiyet olsun.
Bakalım tadına. Şöyle alacağım. Yeter mi? Biraz daha al. So normally you eat like this. There is no need to add butter, oil or yogurt traditionally, but my daughter prefers to have yogurt and I want to give a little bit extra color and taste. Let's first taste like this and then add the butter sauce. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Çok güzel.
The frying process gives extra flavor. I loved the bulgur filling instead of meat. Bulgur güzel, değil mi?
Ayrı bir tat vermiş bulgur.
Kızarması da, değil mi?
Hı.
Yani normal mantıya göre yani.
Evet.
Kıtır yerler geliyor arada.
Hı hı. Güzel ya, ayarı çok güzel.
You can taste a little bit crunchiness and then soft. It soaked the chicken broth. I cannot stop eating. Kendimi yememek için durduramıyorum.
Evet.
Değil mi? Bir alınca yiyesim geliyor.
Evet.
Let's try with yogurt. Hangisini tercih edersin?
Gerçek tadını alıyor yoğurt.
Bence de.
Yoğurtsuz tercih ederim.
So my friends, I hope you liked it. Give it a try and let us know how it turned out. I'm gonna read all the comments to my mom, so make sure to add. Thanks for watching and see you in the next episode. Bye.
Kendim kapanıyor.
Yok, biz kapatacağız.
Yapanlara
Bye.
afiyet olsun.
Afiyet olsun.
Evet. Devam.
Tamam.
Yemeğe devam.
Devam.
Tadı tamamında kaldı.
Geliyor.
Eline sağlık.
Eline sağlık.
Ben bir şey yapmadım ki.
Daha ne? Ama bak sen gelince yaptım yani.
Soğumadan